So today we're going to put on some cellular shades, cellular shades. And I already marked where they're going to go, but let me just show you right quick the brackets, etc. So here's the bracket that came with the kit. Basically they go up underneath. I have tile I got to cut through, so it'll be a little bit longer process, but if you have a standard window and you're just going through drywall, then it's pretty quick. So with this particular kit, it has 3 brackets. Doesn't tell you exactly where to put them, obviously. You do one left, you do one middle, and then one to the right, okay? So what I decided to do is go about 1 inch off to the side here on each side. Inch and a half, I forgot exactly what it was. You can make it however you want. The only advice that I do give you is when you decide to put the shades, like I really wanted to put them way back as close as possible to the ledge here, to the window trim. But then what happens is when you open and close the window, it hits against the shade. So just give yourself, I don't know, 1/2 inch or so, 3/4, or mount them wherever you want. You could put them way back out here. It's really up to you. So that's the only piece of advice that I would say to look out for. Other than that, it's bracket goes up top that way. There's 2 holes there. I just put them up here like so, right? Try to make sure they were nice and straight. And then I marked them with the little Sharpie where the holes are at. And then we're gonna get to drilling. So like I mentioned earlier, if you had drywall, you could just literally punch straight into the drywall with your screws that are provided with the kit. I've done it before, and then it goes right into the wooden header above, and then you're good to go and install the bracket super fast. But for this particular one, we're gonna have to use a tile bit. I'd advise getting the Milwaukee diamond ones. They cut much faster. Put a little bit of water, and then you get to it. But I'm gonna mask up before we do this because I don't want the tile dust.
All right, so we're gonna get started. I got I believe this is an 1/8 inch diamond bit from Milwaukee, and just try to hold it steady against the tile and hit it. A little bit of water. No more water. This will help keep the dust down too. So I think we're through. We're just hitting the hardy backer now. So yeah, we're definitely through. All right, next one. There's a drill in there. Yep. So now we're biting into the wood, so we're successfully through the tile and the cement backer, hardy board, whatever you want to call it. And don't crank it down too hard, because you don't want to crack the tile. And it is just a shade. They're cellular shades. I don't know, they probably weigh like 2 pounds. So I'm just barely going until I can get it to bottom out. Almost, just a little tap. There we go. All right, we're through. Try not to rush it like I hit it hard on the end, because then it starts spewing dust, you know. So pause, water, drill, water, drill, and then vacuum.
All right, so today I used a 3/16 Milwaukee diamond hole saw. These are the best. I tried the other bits from other companies, and well, not every single one, but I've tried a few of them, and these diamond tip ones make life a lot easier for sure. So just want to let you know that. All right, here we go. So here's our cellular shade cassette, whatever you want to call it, and I got these from blinds.com. I've used them before. They're pretty good. You just measure out the window, the width and the height, and they'll walk you through it too. And they custom cut them for you, and they're really nice blinds. I don't get any money. I'm not like some affiliate or whatever the heck. So anyways, they just clip in. Yeah, so there's this little lip. Let's see if we can get a shot of that. Cameraman, can you get a shot of that? I don't have a cameraman. I am the cameraman. So, fine, I'll just pick it up from here. So here's the blind, the track, right? All the way down. Okay. It has this little lip here. I mean, I'm sure you guys could read the directions and figure it out, but I always like to know what it does. So this little lip right here clips in to, it clips into here, right? That little lip. And then they pretty much just turn in. So you're just clipping them in like that. Super simple. So the toughest part is just installing the bracket. You can do it super simple yourself. If you have drywall, if you don't and you have tile, it's a little tougher. Maybe you want to call somebody to help out. Maybe you don't. I don't know. It's really up to you. All right, that's it. Time to clip it in. 1 minute shoe. So goes in the bracket. There it is. Clip, clip. This side. There it is. Cool. So let's give you a shot of what that looks like. There you go. Check it out. Super sleek too. I like that. Like, it doesn't take up a lot of room. This I got the single cell. You can ask them for whatever you want. Like, they'll walk you through ordering and all that. They're pretty good. You just tell them, you know, what thickness you want. You can get double shade, all kinds of crap. So anyways, we try to go for the thinnest look here. And then this is a pull down type. It did come with these little pull down handles. I haven't installed them yet. Handle chingaderas or pull down handles. Pretty simple. The directions basically just say they go tucked in between here, right? So you pull up on the shade from there, and then if you could see, there's a lip right there, a little edge, and these just go right in there. So you can see there's like a hook. Pretty much just slide right back behind there and in. That's it. There's your handles. Bit too, but that's it. You could just pull them like that. But bam! Look how sexy that is. All right, cool.